My name is Mari Bora. I'm a registered dietitian at United Tribes Technical College, and I am coming to you to showcase our star quilts that the students at United Tribes Technical College made. This workshop was funded by the American Indian College Fund. I am just coming to you as the extension educator who wrote and managed the grant. The workshop itself was taught by Shelrae Davis. She is a star quilt maker in the Bismarck-Mandan area. She is also a member of the MHA Nation. Because of COVID-19, we are not able to gather at United Tribes Technical College, and all the students are at home learning online. So that being said, I'm coming to you from my house to showcase all these beautiful star quilts that the students made. I did get permission from all the students to showcase their star quilts and their finished products.
Hello, my name is Alison Schamp. I am a member of the Eastern Shoshone Tribe in Wyoming. Quilting class was very, very fun for me. Great time to sit down and talk with other people and just to have some alone time. And I do now look at quilters in a new light because it was very difficult but very rewarding at the end. Thank you.
Bonjour. Hello everyone. My name is Shelrae Davis. I am an enrolled member of the Turtle Mountain Band of Chippewa here in Belcourt, North Dakota. This was the first quilt that I've ever made. I had a great time from start to finish at the workshop because Miss Cheryl reassured us throughout the whole entire process of making a star quilt. She was a great teacher and was always so nice and so patient. So thank you for that, Cheryl. And I want to say congratulations to all the other students that completed their quilts. They look amazing. I'm so proud of you guys. Thank you for making using the Ripper of Shame not so shameful. And I just hope you guys are all staying safe and staying healthy. And hopefully I get to see most of you guys back this fall. Miigwech.
Miigwech, sa Arawayuk. Hello and good afternoon. My name is Darla Pickavit. I am an enrolled member of the Mwapa Band of Paiutes from Las Vegas, Nevada. I was honored and grateful to be able to take part of the Star Quilt workshop. I am honored that I was able to finish one, and I had doubts in myself whether or not I was able to and was gonna finish one, but yay, big milestone for me. Hopefully we have many more like that where we come together as one and we're able to work and put our heart to what we need to do as Indigenous people. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Noel George. I am an Alaska Native Yupik from Akichik, Alaska. With this class I've gained more experience. I helped out my peers with their quilts like I knew what I was doing. I thought that was really cool. I would like to thank Mara for putting this together and Cheryl for sharing and teaching how to make star quilts. Koyana Jakana.